Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I'm gonna show you how you can check who viewed your LinkedIn profile from your PC. So, uh, open your preferred web browser and just go on and log into your LinkedIn account from their website. So this is a homepage. What you need to do is go on and click on this me or your profile right there, and click on View Profile. Once you do that, your profile opens. What you need to do is scroll down until you see this analytics section. So since this is a dummy account just for a testing purpose and all that stuff, nobody has seen my profile, viewed my profile, so 0, right? So if you have some profile views, you just need to click on this part, right, on the number. So when you do that, this new page opens and it will list a number of people or the profile of people who viewed your profile, right? I have 0, so there is nobody here. So if this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.